Hi, my name's Alan Smith and I work as a consultant for Active Solution in Stockholm. And together with my colleague Peter Örneholm, we'll be delivering a machine learning and artificial intelligence workshop targeted at .NET and Azure developers. We'll explore Azure Cognitive Services and see how we can consume powerful artificial intelligence functionality such as face detection and emotion recognition as a service. We'll look in depth at the custom vision service and see how we can train models for image classification and object detection. We'll even look at how we can export those models, which are complex convolutional neural networks, and then use ML.NET to call those models using code and perform real-time object detection using a webcam. If you're interested in building and training your own image classification networks using Python, TensorFlow and Keras, we have labs available where you can explore this. And if you want to get a really low-level understanding of how some of the algorithms work, you'll have the chance to explore how genetic algorithms and neural networks can implement evolutionary learning to evolve the artificial intelligence for self-driving cars in a simple simulation. It's going to be an exciting and very educational day, and Peter and I are looking forward to seeing you at TechDays on the Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence Workshop for .NET and Azure developers.